A video showing popular Nigerian socialite Cubana chief priest meeting with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has gone viral on social media. In the video posted on Cubana chief priest Instagram page, it was seen kneeling before the president. The businessman also praised Tinubu, saying, "They can never break us." President Tinubu responded with a smile, saying he has always seen Cubana chief priest in the newspapers. The video got many people talking online, including Nigerian music star Davido, who commented, "Project CP 2027, hinting at a possible political future for Cubana chief priest.
Mr. President,
how are you?
Nice to meet you, sir. Again.
God bless you.
Chief priest.
Yes, sir. Your Excellency.
How are you? How are you?
Very well, sir.
Good to see you.
Chief priest.
Chief priest.
Yes.
One
of the biggest
I
influencers.
see you in the paper.
Yes.
How are you?
They are both your members, sir.
This is an APC member as well.
Yes, sir.
From country like that.
I went to 15 states with you during the campaign in 2023.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
And you succeeded.
Yeah, we succeeded.
You made the presidency.
Yes, sir.
We succeeded again.
Thank you, sir.
My friend Babdi is a Indian of Abuja as well.
Landlord.
My PA, Mr. Lati, has been with me and my family for over 20 years.
I do.
Yes, sir.
Well done.
Thank you. And this is DK, my creative director, stylist. He's Ghanaian and Nigerian.
Well done. Good to meet you.
And I'm sure. iPhone 9.
Thank you very much.
Good. Daddy. I'm well.
Yes, okay.
I'm hoping. The job is not just easy.
Just a few days earlier, Cubana chief priest and Davido were also seen with the Senate President Godswill Akpabio in Abuja. After that meeting, Cubana chief priest shared an advice with his followers, saying people should surround themselves with others who represent the future they want to achieve. But not everyone was pleased. There's Isaac Fayoshi also criticized Cubana chief priest for leaning before the vice president and president, Kashim Shettima and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu respectively, in a separate video. Fayoshi also questioned the source of Cubana's wealth. He said famous people like him should take care of their families and be more transparent.
There is a huge difference between competency and incompetency. There is a massive difference between integrity and no integrity. I want to give you an example today. There is a guy called Sheyi Vodi. Vice President was there yesterday to patronize him. He wasn't kneeling down. He wasn't doing anything. He was moving on because he has integrity. He has track record. And there is another video of Monina Water Cubana chief priest. He knelt down like a puppy as Orobo Asibi. He knelt down, bagger on the floor for the same vice president. Because he doesn't have any track record. Who know Cubana chief priest before? Do you know him 7 years ago? How did he get the money? He drives a car of 1.6 billion. He has other one he bought everywhere. How did he make his money? We don't know. That's why you see him leaning down to the power that be. Maybe he's looking for protection. But you see Voji, because he's upright, he's diligent in his way. He stand even at the vice president, they chase him to come and patronize him. I want to tell you today, be diligent in your way. The high and mighty will come to you. Don't be like Monina Water. Their fame, their power is for a short time.
These has sparked debates online, and some people defended Cubana chief priest, saying kneeling shows respect. Others felt it was wrong to kneel for politicians because they believe they are corrupt. While this story continues to trend as Nigerians share different opinions online, you can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.